Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fit and fine. Today, we are going to learn a very easy and interesting method of finding out the prime numbers between 1 and 100. This method was given by Eratosthenes of Greece. Eratosthenes was a great mathematician. He was a scholar of other branches of knowledge also. Sieve is a common device used in almost every kitchen to separate the wanted elements from unwanted material. Hence, this method of finding out the prime numbers is popularly known as sieve of Eratosthenes. Let us begin. Dear children, we already know a number having exactly two factors is called a prime number. Exactly two factors we mean neither more than 2 nor less than 2. And every number is divisible by 1 and itself. Next, a composite number has more than 2 factors. It may be 3 or more than that. So, the two numbers, prime numbers, are divisible by 1 and itself. They have exactly 2 factors. A composite number has more than 2 factors. 1 is neither prime nor composite as it has only one factor. So, let us keep this box blank. The numbers have been arranged in columns and rows. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 100. Now let us begin. 2 is the smallest prime number. So write it here and circle this number. And cross out all the numbers which are divisible by 2. I hope you remember the divisibility test of 2. If a number has 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0 in its ones place, it is divisible by 2. Apply it and cross out all the numbers which are divisible by 2. 4, 16, 18, 20. You can see all the numbers in this column are divisible by 2. So cross them out. Yes, in one go they have been crossed out. So is the case here also. All the numbers in this column have 0 in its ones place. All the numbers in this column have 8 in ones place. Check this column. All the numbers have 6 in ones place. All the numbers in this column have 4 in ones place. Isn't it interesting? By applying our previous learned knowledge, we have eliminated almost half the numbers. Now, 3 is the next prime number. Circle it and write here 3. And cross out all the numbers divisible by 3 if they haven't been crossed out. In this row, you get only one such number, that is 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, already crossed out. 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, already crossed out. 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, already crossed out. You can better apply divisibility test also. I hope you remember a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Go for that. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 5, 8. 3 plus 7, 10. 3 plus 9, 12. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 7, 11. 4 plus 9, 13. 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 7 12, 5 plus 9 14, 6 plus 1 is 7, 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 plus 5 11, 6 plus 7 13, 6 plus 9 15, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 3 10, 7 plus 5 12, 7 plus 7 14, 7 plus 9 16, 8 plus 1 is 9, 8 plus 3 11, 8 plus 5 13, 8 plus 7 15, 8 plus 9 17, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 3 12, 9 plus 5 14, 9 plus 7 16, and 9 plus 9 18. Yes. Next number is 5. Of course, prime number. So circle it and write here 5. And dear children, I hope you remember the divisibility test of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it has 5 or 0 in its ones place. So we will check these two columns only. Number having 5 in its ones place. Gone, 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 gone. Now 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and all the numbers have already been crossed out. Next to it is 7. Note it down here, 7. Now, cross out all the numbers divisible by 7 if they remain uncrossed. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28, already crossed out, 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42, 7 7 ja 49, yes, 7 7 ja 49, 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63, 7 10 ja 70. Now 11 7 ja 77, yes, 12 7 ja 84, 84 already crossed out, and 13 7 ja 91, yes, it is here. 14 7 ja 98 already crossed out, and 15 7 ja 105, it is not here. Now the next number, of course prime, is 11. We have learned divisibility test for 11 also, but we need not apply that. Just simply read the table of 11, and if a number is divisible by 11, cross it out. First write it here, 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 11 3 ja 33, 11 4 ja 44, 11 5 ja 55, 11 6 ja 66, 11 7 ja 77, or 11 8 ja 88, 11 9 ja 99. All the numbers divisible by 11 up to 100 have already been crossed out. Now, if you divide 100 by 11, eleven 9 ja 99, and 1 is here. So what do you see? The quotient is less than the divisor. So do we need to test it any further? No, of course not. We have learned it in our previous class. So we will stop here and note down all the numbers which haven't been crossed out. First circle them. 13, 17, 19. 13, 17, 19. In this way, 23, 29. 23, 29. 31, 37. 41, 43, 47. 53, 59. 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and here we have 97 only. So dear children, I hope you have understood it well. Now what can you see? 4 prime numbers are there between 1 and 10, 4 between 11 and 20, from 11 and to 20, and here from 90 to 100 we have only one prime number, 97. Now the numbers which have been crossed out, all of them are composite numbers. They have 3 or more than 3 factors, that is more than 2 factors you can say, or 3 or more than 3 factors, all the same. Now how many composite numbers are there between 89 and 97? Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can notice that between no 2 consecutive prime numbers you have as many composite numbers as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, only one composite number, only one. 1, 2, 3, only one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, only one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, only one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, only one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the first time between 1 and 100 we have these 7 composite numbers. Hope you enjoyed this. In our next class we will learn to find out prime numbers from 100 to 200. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.